Congratulations to Umkhonto Wesizwe for winning another award. This time Umkhonto Wesizwe won an award in eThekwini, Ward 110. And the special thing about this award is that it is a award that was held by the DA. Umkhonto Wesizwe is dispelling the myths each and every day. A lot of haters of Umkhonto Wesizwe have been saying that Umkhonto Wesizwe is a rural party, Umkhonto Wesizwe is a Zulu party. Now to see Umkhonto Wesizwe winning a award in an affluent area is very impressive, and once again shows that the people of South Africa have faith in Ubaba Jacob Zuma, and the people of South Africa have faith in Umkhonto Wesizwe. And if we look at the results of those by-elections, it is very clear to see that the people rejected the ANC and the people also rejected the EFF. It is going to be very important for the economic freedom fighters and the ANC to acknowledge and accept the facts. Umkhonto Wesizwe is the vehicle that people on the ground are accepting and have realized that this is the vehicle that is going to truly give the people total liberation. The Democratic Alliance had been running a campaign saying stop MK, but all they did was to make people understand that the Democratic Alliance does not care about what the people want. The Democratic Alliance only wants to stop MK. And it is going to be very important for the EFF to desist from throwing insults at Umkhonto Wesizwe, because that action is like the EFF digging its own grave. Advice should be given to the leader of the EFF to stop giving or posting insults or being insultive to Umkhonto Wesizwe. Black unity is very important. Vugatak. And a word of advice to Jeff Radebe regarding the words that he had said, that Umkhonto Wesizwe would be like another Cope. I suggest to Jeff Radebe that he faces the facts. Jeff Radebe is nothing on the ground. He does not have the constituents. He does not have the masses. He needs to learn to accept the facts and be scientific about his politics. Vugataki, jikijela mkonto jikijela, kwaza mkonto kwaza.